Class 3rd in English first. We were doing chapter number 6, the ladybird, and the explanation and question answers are completed. So today we will do exercises. Write today's date and exercise. Exercises complete the lines of the poem. Complete the lines of the poem. Okay. So you have to write the sentences from page number 59. So here I have written sentences and missing words we will write in a wooden log. Okay, so you have to draw this shape, and this shape you will write missing words. So first sentence is, ladybird, you are very neat. N-E-A-T. Full stop. From tiny dash to little dash. From tiny head, H-E-A-D, to little feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Third is, I like your coat of dash and dash. I like your coat of red and black, R-E-D, red and black, B-L-A-C-K, red and black. Fourth is, do you dash it each dash? Do you polish? What? Polish, P-O-L-I-S-H, polish it each night, N-I-G-H-T, night, each night. Fifth is, to make it shiny so dash and dash. To make it shine so dash means gay, G-A-Y, gay and dash, gay and bright, B-R-I-G-S-T. Beneath your dash back there lie. What will come? Shiny. Shiny back there lie the gauzy dash with which you dash. The gauzy wings, W-I-N-G-S, gauzy wings with which you dash, fly, with which you fly. Next exercise is, write rhyming words. So write firstly rhyming words A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and these rhyming words we will write in a leaf. So first one is neat. Rhyming word of neat from the poem is feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Black, back, B-A-C-K, back. Next is night. What is the rhyming word of night is? Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Fay. Rhyming word of fay is gay, G-A-Y. Lie. Rhyming word of lie is fly, F-L-Y. Go. No, N-O-K-N-O-W. Say. Stay, S-T-A-Y. So next exercise, this is completed in copy, and this one we will do in book. So this is, write the word used in a poem to describe the following body parts of the ladybirds. You have to write the describing words of this. Describing word means the word which is telling the speciality of this, quality of this. Okay, so head. So what is written before the head? Tiny, tiny head. What? Tiny means small. Next is feet, little feet, L-I-T-T-L-E. Coat. Coat is red and black. What is the specialty? Red and black. What is the quality? Red and black. Back, and the back is shiny, shiny, shiny back. Wings. Gauzy wings means delicate. Okay, so and question answer we have done already. Now next is our activity time. activity. What is the activity? Today we will do activity life cycle of ladybird. Life cycle of ladybird. So firstly egg. Firstly we will draw egg. So life cycle of ladybird means how it grows. So firstly it is in a shape of eggs. Okay. Then eggs will become a larva. What? Larva. Okay. Eggs will become larva and larva will become pupa. After pupa it will become an adult ladybug. Then this ladybug again reproduce eggs and this life cycle will goes on again and again like this. So here we will write names also. This is eggs, this is larva, VA, LARVA, pupa, and this is adult ladybug, ladybird or ladybug. So students, complete this work and read this poem and learn it. Thank you.